Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. This 7-passenger van leads among competitors in its segment. Top features include power windows, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, removable floor console, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.